Brought to you by US Computer Support. Think arrays are scary? Think again. Let's make them useful. Turn them into your new favorite toolbox. Hi, I'm Ava, and I love neat code and coffee. Today, Python arrays, explained fast. First up, Python has lists, everyday arrays. Think of a list like a row of lockers. Store numbers, store words, store other lists. Example, my list. 10, 20, 30. Grab the first locker with my list. Remember, Python starts counting at 0. Need to change something? Assign like my list, Chalker 25. Want to add more? Use append mylist.append 40. Need to remove? Use pop mylist.pop. Removes the last item. Or use remove mylist.remove 20. For repeating patterns, use multiplication. 0, 3 gives 0, pi 0, 0. Need a permanent numeric sequence? Use the array module, or use numpy arrays. NPR array 1, 2, 3. NumPy is great for math and speed. Looping is simple. For item in my list, print item. Need index and value? Use enumerate. For I, v and enumerate, my list. Print I, v. Quick tip, slicing gives sublists. Example, my list. Returns indexes 1 up to 3. Recap, lists are flexible. Arrays, array module, or numpy are efficient for numbers. Indexing, access items by position. Assigning, change an item with $. Appending, add items with append. Removing, pop, or remove. Slicing, get sublists with start.stop. Need a demo or help converting to numpy? Contact US Computer Support. Brought to you by US Computer Support. Want more bite-sized Python tips? Hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.